Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact Google account tied to YouTube Premium and checking payment details. This prevents access failures caused by billing. Once done, open account settings and validate the subscription status, noting any cancellation or suspension flags. Make sure the payment method is active and not blocked by your bank. If a card expired, update it now. Also, scan your email for required verification or dispute messages. These often pause service and are quick to resolve. Next, you tackle device and app issues because many premium problems are local. Force stop the YouTube app, clear cache, and if needed, clear app data. This removes corrupted state. Sign out on all devices to reset session tokens, then sign back in. Update both the YouTube app and your device OS to the latest versions. Outdated software can break authentication. Once updated, test playback in an incognito window or another device to isolate whether the issue is account-wide or device-specific. Finally, you apply account-level fixes and contact support if needed. Revoke YouTube access in Google Security and reauthorize it to refresh permissions. This fixes token mismatches. If subscription shows canceled, follow YouTube's restore or resubscribe flow and monitor billing for successful charges. If problems persist, collect diagnostics, device, app version, screenshots, error messages, and recent billing receipts. Then contact YouTube's support or chat with Google Billing, providing those details so they can.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.